Hi kids, Digital Dad here. I am going to tell you how to make money online from home. Here are the top 10 legit ways to make money online. 1. Start a blog or website. You can make over $1,000 plus a month through your blog. You can start a blog for as little as $2.95 a month, less than a cup of coffee. Create a blog and use it to sell stuff like affiliate products, brand deals, and more. Consider topics like travel, health and beauty, foods, technology and gadgets, finance, programming, whatever you want. Free resources, video tutorials, how to make a WordPress blog, step by step for beginners. 2. Earn money from YouTube. YouTube is another platform that has made it possible for people to earn money online. There are YouTube channels on almost every topic. There are countless ways to earn money from YouTube. YouTube Partner Program, CPA Marketing, Affiliate Marketing, Sponsored Advertising. If you are comfortable in front of the camera, there is no better way to reach your niche. There are two types of YouTube channels, at least those that are successful: entertainment content. This could be anything from jokes, skits, pranks, and more. Educational content. This style is more oriented to the phrases, how to do it. For example, how to do SEO. Or, how to create a tomato garden. If you have unique skills you can provide via video, this works for you. When you have decided what kind of channel you are going to start, it is time to start creating. First, you will need to create a YouTube channel and think of an attractive name. Then, keep in mind the following tips. Use a high-quality camera to record your videos. Experiment with different styles, formats and editing techniques until you find one that starts to bring good results. Optimize the titles, descriptions and images of your videos to make people click. Create a video publishing calendar, so that followers know when to expect your content. 3. Make money from dropshipping. Dropshipping is a supply chain management method in which the retailer does not keep goods in stock but instead transfers the customer orders and shipment details to either the manufacturer, another retailer, or a wholesaler, who then ships the goods to the customer. Dropshipping has been the talk of the town lately, and you'd find small entrepreneurs from all over the world earning dollar from it. The model on which it works is as follows. Find cheap products on Chinese websites like AliExpress which are sure to generate sales. Create a store around the product and list it on your site with a good profit margin. When someone orders on your e-commerce store, order it on AliExpress and get it delivered straight to your customer's address. You don't need to have a storage area, buy products, ship them, or any of those e-commerce related hassles. The sellers will send the product to the given address without any bill or store name. The go-to method of getting traffic to a dropshipping store is to run social media ads, but if you have a popular blog in a niche with a possibility to sell products, you don't have to spend on ads. By using plugins like WooCommerce, you can turn your existing WordPress blog into an e-commerce store with a dedicated store and cart functionality. Free resources, video tutorials, how to make a WordPress dropshipping website with WooCommerce and AliDropship. 4. Make money from e-commerce, online store, website. E-commerce sites have been exploding in popularity in recent years. With the prevalence of platforms such as WordPress and WooCommerce, creating an e-commerce site could not be easier. If you prefer to deal with physical products and sell something tangible, then opening an e-commerce store could be a good option. Free resources, video tutorials, how to create an e-commerce website, online store. In WordPress there are two different methods to put into operation a successful virtual store: create and sell a niche physical product to a specific group of buyers. Buy cheaper products manufactured in foreign countries, repackage them and sell them for profit. The first approach can be very successful, but it requires a passion for the product and the willingness to do a lot of research, product development and testing. If the first approach seems a bit risky for your first online business, then you might consider the second option of reselling popular products brought overseas. This method involves obtaining a popular product from a platform such as AliExpress, repackaging the product and selling it through your own store. In addition to selling the right products, you also have to think about how you are going to send your products. You can take care of the delivery and order fulfillment. Or, you can use a popular method called dropshipping, in which the manufacturer takes care of the shipment. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways people make money online. It is a strategy where an individual partners with a business to make a commission by referring readers or visitors to a business's particular product or service. Whether you have a website or are still dreaming up ideas for a blog, you can also look into affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you partner with brands and businesses within the content of your website. If you mention a product or service, you link to that produce or service using a unique affiliate code you received when you signed up for that particular affiliate program. From there, you'll make money anytime someone buys a product or service through your link. When you recommend products to your readers and subscribers via links attached with an affiliate ID and earn a commission if a purchase happens. Resources: Top 10 Pay-per-Lead (PPL) Affiliate Program 6. CPA Marketing. The term CPA stands for Cost Per Action. Pay-per-Lead is one of the most popular terms in CPA, in short PPL. CPA marketing is quite easier than selling products. Main idea behind CPA affiliate marketing is getting particular action from your traffic. This action can be email submit, zip submit, pin submit, downloads apps, free registration, credit card submit, and even getting a sale. People are more likely to get free products rather than spending their earned money. Thus, driving your traffic to a particular task can lead you to money. Generally, you can make 50 cents to $25 per CPA offer. There are also some high-end CPA offers that pay $750 or even more for a particular action by your traffic. Top CPA networks: Max Bounty, Peerfly, Crack Revenue, etc. 7. Email marketing. Earn money from email lists. Building an email list can make you a lot of money, help you build a solid brand, and of course help readers come back to your site, time after time. Email marketing can make you money in a few different ways, such as direct email promotions, to deliver free reports that make money, and my favorite, to drive traffic back to your site where you make money from other methods. It is often referred to as 1 email subscriber equals 10 social media followers. And with my experience, it stands true. Being a subscriber, a user allows you to contact him/her any time of the day, as many times you want, and you aren't an alien to them, which is the exact opposite in case of social media ads. Also, email subscribers are your loyal readers and read and share your latest article with others, because they believe in you. You can make more with a 1,000 subscribers list than 10,000 social media followers. To collect and manage your email subscribers, you first need to get an email marketing tool. I recommend MailChimp as it is free for first 1,000 subscribers and provides all the smart features one need. You get automation, pre-made templates, subscriber opt-ins, workflow management, and more. Follow the below step to start with email marketing. Decide on a niche that you would like to serve, and the style of your emails. Choose an email marketing provider. Create a simple landing page and redirect traffic to that page. Send regular emails to that list. The goal of your email list is to build trust, so that people open your emails every day. When you get a large list of people who open your emails, you have several ways to monetize that list, such as, sell your own digital products. Offer a membership course. Promote affiliate offers. Promote CPA offers. Sell sponsorships. 8. Freelancing. A freelancer or freelance worker is a term used for a person who is self-employed and is not committed to a particular employer long-term. A freelancer is someone who works on any contract to provide his expertise in a particular job in return for money. Types of freelancing jobs: graphics design, logo design, banner design, t-shirt design, book covers, etc. Digital marketing (SEO, SEM), social media marketing, email marketing, etc. Writing and translation, content writing, blog posts, translation, etc. Web development, PHP, Python web development, WordPress development, etc. Web design, blog design, personal web page, landing page design, etc. Mobile apps development, iOS development, Android development, etc. Best freelancing marketplace, Upwork, Fiverr. 9. Create and sell your own digital product. Another idea is selling a digital product. Create a PDF, class, or course that solves a problem and sell it. Your first step would be to ask your audience what they want to know more about, create a product around that and sell it. Products can be as simple as a book, or as complicated as a digital service. The more effort you put into it, higher the pricing point and